Yeah, hello everyone. 예, 안녕하세요. 예, 예, 다시 만나서 반가워요. Yeah, hope I'm clearly audible and visible to all of you. Okay, thank you so much. Yes, so someone wants to. Yeah, wish you same. Happy Independence Day. Yes, so in fact, I would request please turn off your mic. Yes, and definitely when if you have to speak something, you can definitely hit mute, right? Yes, so in last class we had learned about Korean consonants and Korean vowels, right? If you remember, and hope you have practiced it at your home. Yeah, as I told you, like combination of consonants and vowel, right? Like ga, gya, go, gyo, kind of. Okay, great. Right. So in last class we had studied about the Korean vowels. How many vowels are there in Korean? If you remember, can you please tell me? 21. Yes. So 14 and 5, that is consonants. So just I am asking about the vowels. So there are 10 vowels. There are 10 fundamental vowels, and we also call it monophthongs. Okay, and 11 derived vowels. Those are diphthongs. What is the meaning of monophthongs and diphthong? Mono means one, right? Mono means one, thong is sound. So the vowel that gives one sound, that is monophthong. Okay, but when we will combine two monophthong together, okay, so there will be two sounds, right? So 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. So it means, and diphthong is 2. Dip is 2, thong is sound. So diphthong means the vowel that gives two sounds, or combination of two monophthong is called diphthong. Okay, so today we are going to learn about the diphthongs. It is diphthongs. So 11 are diphthongs and 10 are monophthongs, right? Okay. Someone wants to join now. Okay, hope I am clear. So there are, so we can say 11 diphthongs and 10 monophthongs. Monophthongs are also called fundamental vowel, that we had already studied, and diphthongs, these are also called derivative vowels or derived vowels, right? So in last class we had studied about the monophthongs, and we also knew how to make word using Korean consonants and Korean vowels, right? So let's study today about diphthongs, so that we will be able to make more words which will have both the monophthongs and diphthongs, right? Yes. So first diphthong is a. 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 Just can you repeat after me? A. Even if your mic is like on mute, you can just repeat. A. Yes, right. It is a. Yes. So it is a. Okay. And a. How to make a? As we like knew it. So it is combination of either two monophthong or one monophthong and one diphthong. So a, if we see, when we combine a plus E. Okay, when we combine A vowel and E vowel, then it will become, sorry, it will become A. Okay, again, A is a diphthong. Yes, it is combination of A plus E is equal to A. A. Right? If you check the sound in Roman, or if you Romanize this sound, so we can say it will be A and E. A. Okay, so first diphthong is A. A is combination of two monophthong, that is two fundamental vowel. First is A plus E is equal to A. Now the second diphthong is Yeah. 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 Okay, second diphthong is Yeah. Yeah. Okay, how to write Yeah? Just I will reverse, like first I will write Yeah, then I will tell you the combination of monophthong. Okay, so A can be written as like this, right? So Yeah can be written like this. So if we check the fundamental vowels used in making the this Yeah diphthong, so it is Ya plus E. Okay, so when we combine Ya plus E, it will become Yeah. Yeah. Okay, if we Romanize this in English, so we can say Yeah like Y, A and E. Yeah. Right? Hope it is clearly visible to all of you. Okay, just wait a moment, please. Hope it is fine now. Or should I do some more adjustment? Okay, it is signing. Uh, uh, just wait a moment, please. Or I'll change the light maybe. Or should I change the light? Uh, uh, What about now? Okay, previously it was okay. Okay, okay, fine. It's fine now? Okay, thank you so much. Okay, so hope it is fine now, right? Yeah, thank you. Okay, so next diphthong is a. A. Next diphthong is a. A. It is a, right? Next diphthong is a. How to write a? A can be written like this. Okay. So if we check the monothong used in making this diphthong, so it will be combination of o plus e. It is combination of o plus e, that is a. So if we combine this o plus e, it will become a, right? Yes, so if we come to the Roman pronunciation of this one, so in some book you can find it is written like E. But since it sounds A and we already have A alphabet in English, so I would suggest to compare it with this A alphabet. This is A sound, A. Okay, so in some book you will find E also, but the actual sound will be A for this diphthong. Yes, so others I would request please turn off your mic, please. Okay, so next Korean diphthong is ye. 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 Okay, next Korean diphthong is ye. Ye, right? How to write ye? Yes, it is yo plus e, right? So ye can be written like this. Okay. So now it is combination of yo vowel plus e vowel. So it is yo plus e is ye. So we can write ye like this. And how to write pronunciation in English? Ye. Can you guess? Yes, right. So it can be written like Y and E. Ye. Then next diphthong is ui, ui. Next Korean diphthong is ui. Yes, right. Ui. Just can I erase this one? This part? Yeah, thank you. Next Korean diphthong is ui. Ui can be written like this. Ui. So ui is combination of u, u plus e. Right? So it is u plus e, that is ui. Okay, so ui can be written like this, u plus e, ui. And can you guess the sound in English, in Roman? Yes, so yes, again it can be written like ui, ui. But in again some book, like many Korean book, you can find eui, ui. But I think it can simply written as ui, ui. AU vowel, O. So O, if we see the O, the horizontal stroke is smaller. Okay, and then it can be written like this, O. Okay, so in case of O, the horizontal stroke is smaller, but in ui it is bigger. So ui is combination of u plus e is ui. Then next diphthong is V. 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 Next Korean diphthong is V. Okay. So just I'll write V here. Right. It is U plus E is V. So first we will write U, then E. It is V. Okay. So it is combination of U vowel plus E vowel. So it is V. If you see the sound in Roman, so we can write it W and I, V. Okay. So just okay. So next Korean vowel is ve. 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 Next Korean diphthong is ve. Okay, so just I'll write ve here. So ve is combination of Is combination of, can you guess? Right. It is combination of O vowel plus E vowel. So it will become way. It will become way. So sound of way, we can write it W and E, way. Okay. So next, excuse me. So next Korean diphthong is wa. 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 Next Korean, yes, it is O plus A, right? So wa we can write like this. Okay, so if we check the combination, then it will be a combination of O vowel plus A vowel. Okay, so it is combination of O vowel plus A vowel, so it will become wa. Wa we can write W and A. If we check the sound in Roman, so it will become W and A, wa. Then coming to next one. Next Korean diphthong is ve. 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 Yes, right. It is ve. Right. It is ve. W-A-E. Ve. Okay, so now we will check how to write ve. So till now we saw the diphthong that was made with combination of two monophthong. Okay, two fundamental vowel. But in ve it is combination of one monophthong and one diphthong. Okay, so we will see. Ve can be written like this. Now, can you please tell me the monophthong diphthong used for making ve? Yes. So it is O vowel. O we know it is a monophthong. And just before, like second one that we had just learned in today's class is a. A is a diphthong, right? A is a diphthong. So it is combination of one monophthong and one diphthong. So it will become ve. Okay? It will become ve. So sound will be W, A and E. Also, where is a Korean word. Where in itself is a Korean word, and that means why. That means why in Korean. Why is an interrogative ending, right? Or we can say yes. So main form is where. So after that we end like we put ending, so it become where. Okay. So the root vocab will be where. Hope I am clear. So where is a combination of one monophthong and one diphthong. O plus A. It will become where. The next diphthong is wa. 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 Yes. So next diphthong is wa. We will see how to make wa. Just can I erase this one, this part? Yeah, thank you. So this is wa. Can you guess the monophthong used in wa? Yes, it is u plus o. Yes, it is u plus o will become wa. It will become wa. So wa we can write, just one put some soften or tensification marker here. So it will become wa. Right. It is combination of two monophthong u plus o. It is a tensification marker, so it is wa. So that why we put this tensification marker here. Tensification, we can say tensify marker. Then the last diphthong is way. So way is again a combination of one monophthong and one diphthong. Okay. So earlier we saw where, that was a combination of one monophthong and one diphthong, and now this one is way. Way is also combination of one monophthong and one diphthong. So how to write way? Can you guess the more? Yes, it is u. This is a monophthong plus a. It is a diphthong, so it will become way. So again, I think where we have no choice, just we can write where like W and E. So there is very little difference. There is one more way just we had learned, that is O plus E is also way. So there is very little. Sorry. Yes, so there is very slight difference as I told you. Like once we will start making some Korean words using these like vowels, so then only I think we can differentiate it much better. Okay, so but yet there is some slight sound difference like this way and this way. Okay, so that again I am telling you. So once we will start making some words, Korean words using these like vowels, different vowels, so we will differentiate it by practice and by making some words. Fine. So this is the last diphthong, way. Okay, so way is a combination of one monophthong, that is u, plus a. It is a diphthong. It will become way. So just I would request to please practice, like try to practice like making words using all these consonants and vowels. The best part I just told you, to just combine first this this consonant with first monophthongs, and then again do combination of consonants plus the diphthong. So you will be easily differentiate the like how to write consonants and vowels, and you can also differentiate the sound. Okay, ga, gya, go, gyo, kind of. Okay. So this is all about this monophthongs and diphthongs, and we had learned all the Korean alphabet. Fine, all the Hangul, that is 19 consonants and 21 vowels, total 40. Total number are 40 in Korean alphabet, right? So I think we can make some easy words using these monophthongs and diphthongs, right? Yes, please. Please tell me. Yes. Okay. Okay.